In this video, we are going to see graphics programming next part. My name is Professor Pokharkar MS, HOD, Computer Engineering Department, Samartha Polytechnic, Belle. Now, let us see the graphics method, that is a draw arc. Now, draw arc is used to draw circular or elliptical arc. Now, draw arc having 6 parameters. First 2 parameters are used for defining the coordinates of the top left corner of a rectangle in which oval will be drawn, and this arc is a part of that oval. Okay. Now, third and fourth parameter defines the width and height of oval for which this arc will be the part. Now, start angle, it defines the starting angle from which arc will be drawn. It may be 0 angle, 30 angle, 40 angle, whatever. And arc angle, the last parameter, arc angle, it specifies the amount of angle up to which arc will be drawn. Okay. Now, let us see example. Now, in this example, applet package is imported because we extending applet class. We have imported AWT package because we are using graphics class. Now, here inside the paint method, we have seen the draw arc method which having 6 parameters. Now, first 2 parameter defines the top left corner of a rectangle in which the oval will be drawn, for which arc is a part. Now, 200, 200, third and fourth parameter specify the width and height of a oval for which arc is a part. And 0, 180. 0 is the start angle and 180 is the arc angle. For example, this is the x coordinate and this is a y coordinate. Okay. Now, this is a 0 angle, this is a 90 angle, this is a 180 angle, this is a 270 degree angle. Angles are increased here 90 degree. Now, here, now starting angle is 0, that means arc will be drawn from here, and here ending angle is 180. Now, this angle is plus. Okay. When the 6 parameter, that is start angle, is positive, then arc will be drawn in anti-clockwise direction, and when this value is negative, arc will be drawn clockwise direction. Now, here plus 180 means arc will be drawn in the anti-clockwise direction, from where the starting angle is 0, that means from here. And what is amount? 180 degree. It is positive, so it will be drawn in anti-clockwise direction in this manner. Okay. Now, let us see the output. In this, we are getting the arc that will be drawn start from the 0 degree and it will be drawn up to the 180 degree. Okay. Now, next example. Now, same example, but here we are using this last parameter, that is the arc angle. We have kept here minus 180. Now, this arc angle, this last parameter, 6 parameter is negative, then arc will be drawn in clockwise direction. Here suppose starting angle is 0, so it starts from here, but now 180 degree, it will be drawn from the anti-clockwise direction. It will be drawn in the clockwise direction. So, in this manner arc will be drawn. Now, let us see the example. We are getting the output, arc will be drawn in clockwise direction. Now, next method, that is a fill arc. Now, fill arc method is used to draw circular or elliptical arc, but which is filled with the current graphics color. By default, current graphics color is a black. Now, remaining information. Now, here fill arc having remaining parameters and information is same as that is a draw arc, but difference is that it draw the filled arc. Okay. Now, let us see the example. Now, in this example, same parameters, same we have taken, just difference is that instead of draw arc, we have written here fill arc. When we compile this program and run using applet viewer, we are getting the arc, but it is filled with the black color. Okay. Why? Because we have set, or by default current graphics color is a black. Okay, but if you want to change the graphics color, then we have to use a method. That method is a set color. Now set color method is used to set or change the graphics current color to the specified color. Now specified color is specified in the parameter. Now this color parameter may be the color object, or it may be the color constant, like color dot red, or it may be the color dot green, color dot yellow, etc. Now let us see the example. In this example we have written g dot set color dot red. So we have set the graphics color red, and when we execute this statement we will get the arc which is drawn in anti-clockwise direction, and it is filled with the red color. Why? Because we have set the graphics color red. Okay, let us see the output. Here arc will be drawn and it is filled with the red color. Now next method of the graphics class, that is set font. Now set font is used to set the graphics current font to the specified font. Here parameter font is actually object of font class. Okay, we can pass this object by creating this in separate statement, or directly we can pass the object by calling new font, which having 3 parameters. Now let us see the example. In this example we have imported applet package, awt package, extends applet class. Now inside the graphics method we have draw string method is used, displaying the string hello world at position 10 and 50. Now after displaying the string we are setting the font. Now in the font, when we are setting, we are using the method that is a new font. Okay, in this method if we see new font having the 3 parameter. First parameter is the font name, we have written Times New Roman. Next is the font style, we have written font dot bold, and the third parameter is the font size. This object of font is passed to the set font method. Now if we draw same string but at different position, then we are getting this string in Times New Roman font in font dot bold style and with size 30. When we run this program, we are getting the both string hello world and hello world. This hello world we are getting which is used or displayed before setting the font, and it is displayed after setting the font, that is the font size 30. Okay, so this is the all from the graphics programming. Okay, so I hope that you understand the graphics programming, draw arc part, fill arc part, set color, set font method. Okay, let us stop. Thank you.